2003 SVT Cobra Mustang, doing the IRS bushings. The exhaust is out. The drive shaft is going to be disconnected next. However, just wanted to show what I've got going on. I've got a bad leak here at the rear end. This car is outfitted with some Kinney Brown suspension components, and I guess I'm a little bit worried now. I forgot about this and I already ordered some parts, but I'm kind of worried about this. This just doesn't seem right to me, that this would move so freely, and then you can hear that clunk. I mean, that's probably part of some of the noise I'm hearing. Just not 100% sure. But let's see if I can spin it around and look at the other side. Alright, thanks for looking.